Artificial light has become our native habitat long ago. Street lamp, office table lamp, cozy bed lamp, without them we can't imagine our life in the night time. But besides domestic and industrial light systems, our lives are influenced by motor cars illumination systems. Motor cars illumination systems have come a long way from wax candle and oil lamps that we inherited from carriages to modern LED and xenon headlights. Today's car service conditions can be hardly called easy and favorable. No matter if traffic takes place in the city streets or on a night highway. What does matter? It's the quality of clearance lamps, direction indicators and headlights. Republic of Belarus produces motor and tractor machinery, as well as high-quality illumination systems for it. Main illumination systems manufactured in Belarus is Rudensk joint stock company from the town of the same name. The company was founded in 1995 when Rudensk enterprise of plastic goods was reorganized into Rudensk joint stock company. In more than 15 years, the company converted from the pioneer of the illumination systems engineering, which produced only 7 product ranges, to undoubted leader, which produced more than 150 name brands and modifications. Today, Rudensk joint stock company is a modern enterprise, upgraded with highly efficient technical equipment and qualified staff. Full production cycle of the illumination systems is provided in the enterprise, from the designing and acceptance to the shipment of the goods to the customers. The integrated management system is embedded in the enterprise and certified in accordance with ISO 1901 and STB 18001 standards. The governance model was developed and embedded at the enterprise in 2011 in accordance with the international ISO TS 16949 standard, which is used specifically for car industry plants. Rudensk joint stock company is one of the largest motor and tractor illumination systems manufacturers in Belarus and CIS countries. About 15% of the production is sold on the Belarusian domestic market. Almost all the illumination production is import substitutable. This allows Belarusian customers to save their money, which could have been spent on expensive import analogs. Main customers inside the Republic are Minsk Automobile Plant, Minsk Tractor Plant, Belarusian Automobile Plant, Gomel Mesh and many others. The other 15% of the production is sold abroad. Among foreign customers can be named big motor plants such as KMS, ZIL, Neftekamsk Automobile Plant, Kremenchuk Automobile Plant, gas group enterprises such as Ural Plant, Pavlovsky Autobus and many others. The life cycle of a new issue starts in the construction department of the plant. Here, with the help of CAD System Pro Engineer, illumination system production is taken, as well as the development of punch and mount riggings. Current IT technologies, professional and experienced designers make possible to produce topical issues. Today, more than 150 name brands and modifications of illumination systems are produced as branded issues of Rudensk joint stock company. They are automobile, tractor and special vehicle headlights, backup lamps, backup sectional lamps, backup multifunctional lamps, cornering lamps, clearance lamps, fog lamps, pulsed light devices. Modern technical equipment, actual design, new developments are used in the enterprise to stay number one on the illumination equipment market. Punch and mold creating is made by personnel of the tool house. Mold creating is a complex and expensive process. All the works are carried out automatically with the numerical control machines. Modern equipment makes the exact and quick machining of blanks from different materials possible in the most effective way. Plastic details creation, basic parts, light diffusers and other is the main technological process at Rudensk joint stock company. Modern tools allow the plant to produce components of different configurations and sizes. Detail for the illumination issues are made with the help of high productive foreign equipment, automatic molding machines. Two-color injection molding is used in the enterprise that allows to make two-colored issues at one cycle and that raises the productivity and quality of the manufactured issues. ABS plastic, polyamides, polycarbonates and other high-quality domestic and foreign materials are used in production. Productive facilities help to produce more than 3 million issues per year. Sputtering of the protective aluminum covering on the reflective surfaces with lacquering is the other stage of illuminative system production. These technologies provide a high degree of reflection and protection of the covered surfaces. That is one of the most important qualities for each illumination issue, produced for the motor and tractor machinery. Assembly of the ready issues is the final stage of the production. It's held in accordance with all quality requirements. The following types of assembly are used. Ultrasonic welding is the most up-to-date type of welding. It's mostly used for the flat surfaces connection, pulsed light devices, light diffusers and others. Its distinguishing feature is the high quality of the joint weld. Notwithstanding the high cost of the equipment, it returns all the expenses. Contact thermal welding is a reliable method of the connection of polymeric details with complex surfaces. Gluing in the connection of two details by putting the glue melt. The mechanic assembly of the details is also used. Every issue is 100% functionally checked. Also, it goes through air tightness inspection. The enterprise has its own test lab, which includes unique up-to-date equipment that allows to carry out the illuminative characteristic measuring as well as climatic, vibratory and other tests. This equipment was made in Germany and has been verified by Belarusian State Institute of Metrology. Rudensk Joint Stock Company Test Lab is the only lab in Belarus accredited for motor and tractor illumination systems trials by the accreditation system of the Republic of Belarus. The functional check of the radar issues includes illuminative characteristic measuring, such as light intensity, light flux, illumination and brightness, and others. A radar issue is put on climatic trial to check heat and humidity resistance. Also, it's put on vibratory tests, as well as water, dust and salt fog influence trials. Rudensk Joint Stock Company Test Lab is a technical test department for official design confirmation of the type of construction, according to the rules of UN Economic Commission for Europe. High quality, modern design, improved construction allow to produce a competitive production that meets international standards. Greater production capacities meet the requirements of the motor and tractor enterprises of the Republic, as well as they provide export sales. special attention in the enterprise is given to innovation designing and new areas of production. At present, the adoption of new lorry and motor car lamp clusters is taken, as well as LED issues production is developed. Also, a robot assembly line adoption is planned. And yet, why Rudensk? How holding the lead on the domestic market and general acceptance of the foreign markets can be explained? What keeps the sales at a high level, notwithstanding high competition and economic instability on many markets? Besides good quality, it's a competent marketing strategy of the enterprise, which helped to form the commodity distribution network. Also, it takes a price policy and highly individual approach to each client. You know that only the strongest survive in hard economic environment, and Rudensk joint stock company is a great example.